This demonstration complements the introduction to the story tool, which is another video. It's recommended to watch that first, to not miss the basics. Here we continue with an already created story and add more content. We will add a date and geographic coordinate to the story. If you want to continue working on an already created story, open the story tool via the button in the main menu. Under a story icon, you will see the Edit Story button, so click on it. Here you will find the same tool as when you initially created the story. Navigate between the 3 steps using the navigation bar at the top or the next step and previous step buttons. We will focus on adding a timestamp and a location coordinate. This is done in step 2. Scroll down a bit and you will see a list for date and one for place. When you click, the list expands into a menu. In the Date menu, you choose from a drop-down menu the type of date to be specified. Here I choose year and can then enter the year the anecdote took place. It's simple and straightforward. The result is that you can see the year in the story and it will be displayed on the timeline on the left side when you read the story. The Place tool offers more advanced options. Expand that menu. You will initially see a simple text field where you can enter a place name. It's straightforward, resulting in the place name being readable in the story. If you want to interact with a map, click on the Add Position button instead. A new workspace window will appear and the map will expand so you can work with it. If you know the geo-coordinates of a place, you can enter them and search for them. A point will appear on the map. You will also get a place designation if you are working with a country linked to detailed location databases, and can copy that text to the tool's text box. Some text must be in the box. You can edit it into a place description of your choice. You can also click directly on the map to select a location, which can be more intuitive. Zoom and move around the map to find exactly the place you want to specify. When you click, a place designation will appear, which you can copy into the tool's text box. When satisfied, click Select and the coordinate tool will close. You are back in the story tool with the specified location selected. Now that the date and place are added, proceed to step 3. There you will also have some pre-made choices and, if satisfied, simply scroll down to the bottom and choose Save. Your story updates and you return to your list of stories. When you now open the story to read it, you will see how the timeline and map interact. A marker appears in the timeline for the date you have chosen, and the map zooms in on the place you have selected. In the map, you can also find your story through the menu and the map pin.